Theme. Okay, so in this PowerPoint, we'll be looking at theme, what it is, and why it matters. Why it matters? Well, I think it matters because it can tell us a lot about humanity, and it's a powerful part of human understanding, and we'll find out why. So it is what is theme? It's a central idea or insight into the novel. It can tell us about human behavior. So look at these lines. Power can be corrupting and addictive. Love can change who you are. It's rarely directly stated, but sometimes it actually is. So look at these photos. What do you think is the theme of this photo? So if you said something like, love transcends boundaries, or love overcomes obstacles, or obstacles are stupid, something along those lines, you would be correct. What about this one? So if you said something like human suffering is hard, or you can survive suffering, or surviving suffering is scarring, or suffering marks you for life, any of those things, that would probably work. I also really like thinking about universal themes because it can tell us a lot about cultures and times, and they come up again and again. So it's really cool when you notice a theme reoccurring over multiple texts and times, because they usually tell us about the human experience. They deal with good and evil, life and death, love and loss. Also, it's important to note that if a one word is a subject of a work, a theme is always going to be a message or a sentence. For example, loyalty is earned through trust and experience. That's a sentence. Love is transformative. A sentence. Hope in a time of darkness can make life worth living. Again, a sentence. So how do we find theme? First, you can look at what the character learns. So, aha moments. Do they have an aha moment somewhere? Second, you can look at the conflict. So what is going on in the story? How is the conflict resolved? Third, you can look at the title. And then fourth, you want to make sure the theme can apply to the entire novel. And finally, sorry, technical difficulties. Oh, no, go back. Okay. Finally, you want to look at reading skills and anchor questions. So the answer to any of these anchor questions can clue you into a theme, and that's actually what we'll be focusing on in the next lesson. Okay, thanks for listening.